with spacebar? Yeah, you heard it's right. But let your thumb rest and move the cursor while typing. You just have to long press the keyboard space bar, and then you can move your cursor whenever you want. 6. Set timer for music. Don't you sometimes fall asleep before turning off the music? Here's how your clock can set a timer to turn off anything you are watching or listening to your iPhone or iPad. First, start the clock app on your iPhone. Tap on timer tab located at the bottom of the screen. Choose the length of the time. Tap on when timers end. Scroll down and tap stop playing. Tap set in a upper right hand corner of the display. 7. Calculate and go. Without having to open the calculator, swipe right and on your iPhone home screen and type in search bar, and your answer will get battery drainage. Put your iPhone on airplane mode and then change it while speed up your iPhone's charging progress. 9. Stop app asking for feedback. Disable the annoying rating and viewing pop-ups for app on your iPhones. Head over the settings. Tap on iTunes and App Store. Switch off the app rating and reviews. 10. Get rid of annoying advertisement. Don't allow the advertisement look at your personal stuff based on your search history. Head over to settings, then privacy, then advertising, then switch on the limit ad tracking. 11. Silence unknown callers. Stop using robocall with these must tricks. Start the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap phone. Toggle silence unknown caller. 12. Automatic close browser tab. Want to automatic close Safari browser tabs to keep your website running